Oh, hello and welcome from sunny Florida. Look at that. Blue skies, but it ain't gonna be that way long because they're talking about Hurricane Dorian, whatever it is, coming today. And it's gonna be hitting here on Saturday or Sunday or Monday. They don't know yet. But you gotta prepare. So I'm putting plywood on the windows today. Few things you want to make sure you got when you got a hurricane coming. You got to make sure you have your drill with your batteries and make sure they're all charged. And then plywood for your windows. I've been using this plywood for a few years now and it's about time to change it. I'm going to use it one more time. That one's done, now only about 20 to go.